Righto. I think I'm going to film a bit of a tuk-tuk ride here, which goes from the market we were just at, Takamau, back to the village. Excuse me. There's always something happening in Cambodia, and I thought I'd better film some stuff so you guys can see just some of the stuff that I see. So let's go. This is the Takamau area. It is south of Phnom Penh by about 45 minutes. No idea of the distance, hence how fast you go. There's a Panasonic Prius there, guys. Are they the battery supplier for the Prius, I wonder? Claire, you might know, you're a Prius, Team Prius. I need some insights. We are stuck behind this here. What's happening here? He's asleep.
Yeah.
Who's got him? Straight neck. Look at Mr. Bum.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that lovely? This is a novelty for us because this is probably the third time we've been without our son in their first 8 months of his life. And it is nice to go somewhere without taking him.
Not like we want to get away from him, but it's just painful for him.
It frees us up and it's painful for him. If you watch some of our earlier vlogs in Phnom Penh, it's hard work taking him, and he don't like the heat. Oh yeah, he gets tired quick. And what the hell's what's going on here? Can you see up there? There's a truck. Hang on, let me see if I can get a bird's eye view without getting my head taken off. Jesus. See, there's always something going on. Just digging a hole. There's a truck with a big tree on it. Oh. Look at the traffic jam. Look at this old Camry. Glorious. Driving instruction car.
Have you noticed? Last time we were here was 2.5 years ago, and the road was like this too.
Yeah, that's right.
It's been going on for 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Building the road. When you go to Siem Reap, you're gonna see how different.
Oh, I know. I can't wait. I'm really excited to see, and I'm sure you guys are too, how good the roads are in Siem Reap. Another gold Camry. Right. It's dangerous, isn't it? Yeah. There's a truck up ahead. I don't know if you can see, but they're carrying trees. Delivering trees.
But it looks like the bush is moving.
Yeah, that's right. It's flexing. Here's an overloaded truck. What's he carrying? Bags of things. There's a garbo. I don't know. The garbage is wrapped up like food sometimes. It's hard to tell whether it's a garbage truck or what. Here's some more road work. Caution construction. How many bikes are standing? Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely a hole. Oh, that wind is nice. That wind is very, very nice. There's a mechanic shop, car care, lube. There's a Prius in there, probably because it's unreliable. That guy's a temporary citizen. That's very dangerous. Oh, it's just the bloody fridge and washer shop. A bit dusty, but they'll do the job. Do you reckon those guys have had their hair cut there? Old mate Beardy and that other bloke. There's a grinder. The national sound of the Kingdom of Wonder. The angle grinder. Another one to my right. We're going to get rear-ended by this guy. We're nearly rear-ended this guy, I should say. Ah.
This is why COVID doesn't like Cambodia.
This is why COVID doesn't like it. What do you mean?
Too much going on.
There's too much happening.
Too much happening. Not like in Melbourne, everybody's sitting at home doing nothing.
I mean, it's like, oh, here's the truck. There he is. Oh, There's your plant shops.
Yeah.
Again,
Panya.
yeah, so Panya. Again, you seem to just get right up the arse of these guys before we overtake. More plants shop. Buy rocks. More plants. Oh. Yeah. I'm keen to see this tree. So that's a mango tree. The whole thing.
Oh, he said these days that's how they grow tree. They don't grow it from small tree. They buy the big
buy a
tree
big one.
and just put into the ground. So like they don't grow from small.
Ah.
See, it's like big tree in the back. There
Here
you
he
go.
is here. Old mate mango.
4 trees.
4 trees. Let's see if we get a shot from behind. Whoa. Another automotive shop. Hope you saw something then. This is very Cambodian, where you've got one guy selling plants, so you have 1,000 guys selling exactly the same thing within.
Convenient.
Hey?
Convenient.
Convenience, Kinal reckons.
Yeah, because think it this way, when you go into one shop, you don't like what they have there, you can just walk to the next one.
But usually don't they all sell exactly the same thing?
Yeah, but you might not like what you see, like maybe not a love at first sight.
Okay.
It's more like love at second sight.
Right. Expert analysis. Oh gosh. Oh, potholes, bumps. Happy Garden. Sounds like they sell marijuana at the Happy Garden. Probably don't. What's this? Oh, they're mango trees as well.
Yeah, all the mango, like big mango tree.
Yeah.
Which before, when you build house, you buy
Buy a
put
small
trees
one.
in your house. You wait 10 years to get fruit. Now you just buy from here, plug into the ground, and then next year you get fruit.
Yeah. Bit of traffic now. Oh, look at this thing, the Tundra. It's got a picture of the car. Oh, hang on. It's a picture of a Ford Ranger on the Tundra. See that? Ah. There's your tool shop. I've never seen that. It'd be like me painting a picture of a Monaro on the side of my Falcon GT, well, my Fairmont. Oh, here's a real shit bit of road here. This will be exciting, maybe. Oh, we're close. This guy's got some pink, green Michelin Man on the front of his truck. Oh. So we've got one bit of road in the middle that's pretty good. Far out, the dust is unbelievable. I can see why people wanted to get out of Siem Reap when they were doing the roads project, because you just get sick of it. Wow. Ugh. That's a nice parking spot. Looks completely deliberate. Another driving school. Why is it the driving schools always have these shitty Camrys, the old ones? Not that there's such a thing as a shitty Camry. They're all excellent. What else we got here? It's just a sensory overload, isn't it? It's that plumbing shop, water Lego shop. Are they shoes? There's some belts. Snar needed a belt. Could have just bought from the side of the road. More development. Maybe this was filled in. They're going to put those cookie cutter apartments on there. Building that. Tajik, Cambodia. sun is freaking hell. Not a lot of shade around here. It's so flat. There's no real trees, so the sun just bakes everything. And the heat just radiates off the road and the concrete and all the things. Oh, another big Ford. Just chuck my sunnies on. Save my pupils from this dust. Oh, we're behind his truck. This is why I wanted to wear a mask. It's a nice wild track. Just cut him off. Where's this guy going to turn? Has he just got his indicator on just because? PP 1215.
On the top it says right-handed steering wheel.
Oh really? So that was a right-hand drive truck.
Yeah.
Just in case you didn't hear that, on top of the number plate it said right-hand drive.
Yeah.
That's good. Wonder where it's from. Well, he's got his left-hand indicator on, that's for sure. We might get a bit of rain. Don't know. What do you think, Asna? Playing up? Nah, can't hear me. You CMI Hinos, get your trucks. Now look down here, how many apartments are down there? Look, there's only a small block. But these things are popping up all over this region. They're not cheap either. Hoofing along. To my right, we've got some plants. Looks like they're bloody drilling for oil there. Oh. Ah, that was a compressor. Oh, that was an air ratchet. Expecting some angle grinding at some point. It's been a good 5 minutes since we've heard a grinder. Good tree roots. There's a bit of actually here we go. So have a look at this sort of little community here. All these, look at them, they're just cookie cutter houses and they've just gone up bang, bang, bang. Where we went and bought the hot water service from, or near there, what's this? Kangmang City. And it goes all the way back too. They're just popping up everywhere. And they're all empty. I mean, the ones we saw yesterday, they're all vacant as well. So who's going to live in them? Who wants to live in them? Because there's no real community around here. And Khmer, I like the community. Duplicating the bridge. That's good for traffic. Oof. Couple of trucks, Fuso, purple. There's a couple of Falcon Interceptors off an old EL taxi. Yeah. There you go, off in the distance. Can you see them? It looks like a prison, but it's not. It's actually just apartments. Huh? No, but look at it over there.
Yeah, just
look at it. It's got. It's huge. There we go. It's fenced in, and there's more here. There you go. That outer wall gives it the prison vibe. This one at least has got some shops, and it feels a bit more homely with the shops and a bit of life there. Look, it's freaking huge! Huge! That one down there. Unreal. Just keeps going down the back. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of taking... There's no character about it, but I suppose if they're better conditions and people can afford to live there, gel something or other, why not? I suppose that's what happens when you're in a developing country. Things develop and it will lose some of its charm. So be it. Oh, hard on the brakes. Have a look at this side. This is where they would have dug up for the pipe. So what was the, how did it go? You built the road?
You remove the road
to put the pipe, then you
remove
the pipe
to
put the road.
Then it goes on.
On and on and on and on. And slowly the road gets wider and wider.
Yeah. Then, you know, it gets wider, you remove the pipe so you can increase the road. And then once you increase the road, you remove the road so you can put the pipe
again.
Circle of life.
Circle of life, the circle of road.
Circle of road life.
That's it. So we're coming up to this roundabout. This is where me and Aloy walked to last, I keep saying last year, it's bloody 2.5 years ago now.
Maybe you take Aloy walk here again.
We might have to because a lot has changed.
Yeah.
The roadside butcher where we went still exists. It's over here, but there's this sort of temporary market. And here's the butcher's here. The bakery that was behind was gone. Oh, was it this one? There we go. A few of them. So there you go. When oh, here we go, some more development. When we walked along there and we got some meat, and I'll put a video link ahead above so you can see that one. There was only one roadside butcher. Now there's like 5 or 6. Oh, 2 or 3. And there's a new market that's popped up here. Hang on, have a look over the roof. That wasn't there before. This part of the road looks pretty good. It is wider. The truck's using all the width. Bloody hell, can he park any closer to the edge? This is nice, this 800 metre section or so. I dare say they'll fill all this in with dirt and develop it.
Molnyan said the chief of this town,
Yeah.
he said, because this road has been built,
Yeah.
and the chief said not good enough standard, they're gonna scrub it off.
They're gonna do it again?
Rebuild, yeah. Because it's like Korean company do it, then there is not standard that they want, so they have to do again. Not good enough.
So Koreans built it.
Yeah, this was built by Korean.
So this is a Korean road, and it's not good. What's not good enough about it? It's smooth.
Maybe, I don't know, the foundation, I don't know.
Who knows? See trucks. See if you can see the wedding setup, which is the tents and shit over here. So we are back. I have to egress this vehicle. Oh, the music started already. Oh, the trucks. Bloody marvellous. Oh yeah, oh there's a lot set up. I'll show you that in another video, but let's get out of here. Thanks for coming along on that tuk-tuk ride. Ciao.